everyone! Today I have a magical story to share with you. It's about a little foal named Noel who learned the importance of family and friendship on a snowy night. Let's begin! At my riding center, a beautiful foal named Noel was born. His mother, Cheyenne, loved him dearly. They spent their days playing in the meadow, enjoying the fresh air and warm sunshine. One night, a big snowstorm covered everything in a thick white blanket. The horses were safe in the stable, but the wind howled outside. Suddenly, Noel woke up. He had heard a strange sound coming from the forest. Curiosity got the best of him, and while everyone was asleep, he stepped outside. The snow was deep, but Noel kept walking toward the sound. Step by step, he wandered deeper into the forest. But soon, he realized he was lost. The trees looked the same, and the wind whispered around him. Noel was scared and alone. The next morning, as the sun rose, everyone at the riding center woke up. But something was wrong. Noel was missing. His mother, Cheyenne, neighed loudly in distress. The whole team quickly gathered and started searching for him in the vast snowy forest. As they searched, a magnificent stag appeared in front of them. He stood tall and proud, looking straight into their eyes. Then, as if trying to tell them something, he turned and began to walk away. Trusting the stag, they followed him through the snow-covered woods. After a long walk, the stag stopped in front of a hidden cave. He let out a deep, echoing call. Suddenly, from the cave, his family emerged, and with them was Noel. He had found a shelter with the stag's family during the storm. Cheyenne ran to Noel, covering him with warm nuzzles. Everyone was so happy and relieved. Noel had followed the sound of the stag's antlers knocking against the trees, a signal calling his own children to safety. The wise stag had saved him. Since that day, Noel and Cheyenne often visit the stag and his family. They play together in the forest, enjoying the bond that was created that magical snowy night. What a beautiful adventure! This story reminds us that kindness and courage bring us closer, even in the most unexpected ways. Thank you for listening, and see you soon for another magical story. Bye-bye!